Hi, you're tuned in to Ups a Daisy Christmas Wreath workshop demonstration. The wreath starts as a bare wire ring, which we then attach the real wire to form a mattress type support for the moss as it is placed on top of the ring. The wire is attached to the outer edge of the wire ring, and then the wire is bound, as you can see, over and over until you've completed the full circle of the wreath. The wire is then reattached to the outer edge of the ring, ready to start attaching the moss. Gently roll the moss into a sausage shape and place it over the area where the wire has been secured to the ring, and then the same process as before, the wire is wrapped over and over the moss, moving along slightly as you go, and then continue by adding more moss as you go. Until the wreath is full. Attach the wire to the outer edge of the wreath again. You'll have to poke it through the moss in order to find the ring, and give it a couple of twists to make sure that it's nice and secure. Then you're ready to start attaching your foliage. With small bunches of foliage just on top of each other and ready for placement onto the wreath. Now we tend to work round clockwise around the ring, depending whether you're left or right-handed. If you're left-handed, then you might prefer to travel anti-clockwise. Place your bunch over your binding area where your wire is attached, and again bind the bunch to the mossed ring. Just once or twice, you don't need to go too many times over, just to hold that bunch nice and secure. If you ensure that all of the stems are tightly held by the wire, then that's sufficient. Continue this all the way around the wreath until the wreath is complete. The next step is to make your bow, which is a little bit more tricky. You need about 2 meters in length of your chosen ribbon. Once you've successfully created your bow, scrunch it a little in the middle and secure it with a wire, making sure that it's pulled nice and tight. Choose where you'd like your bow, whether it's at the top or the bottom of your wreath, and push the wires all the way through to the back of the wreath, so you can see both wires. Twist them together and then poke them back into the moss so the ends aren't visible. If you've bought a wreath kit from us, you'll find everything's already wired for you. Continue to decorate your wreath in the same way, and we have shown you here how to wire some orange slices. Finally, attach a hook to the back of the wreath as shown.